got this easy car care kit off the internet. I've seen it advertised on Instagram with a few people. Thought I'd have a look at their products and see how they got on with basically valeting your car. This kit came in at $39.99, using basically just Royal Mail to bring it out to me within a couple of days. I know during COVID it was going to be a wee bit difficult, but I got here. This is the Weeknd Warrior kit that I got. I think it's meant to be like 90 odd quid or something, but they've got it on special just now, I think. But we'll see how it goes when I put it in the car, because I use different products already that are out there in the main market. So we've got a lot of nozzles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, nozzles seem pretty okay. Yeah, no bad. Easy enough with triggers. Right, let's see what we get in here apart from these packing quavers. Right, we have Clarity window and glass cleaner. Okie doke. Next one we have Regaining Iron, which is a bleeding fallout remover. Next we have citrus wash, concentrated pre-wash, and we'll tell you what some of these smell like in a wee minute once I've cracked open the lids. Next we have Eliminator, which is a paint cleansing panel wipe, something I've never really used before, but we'll see how we go on with that. Next we have Cherry Bomb Luxury Car Care Shampoo. It looks pretty thick on that, gloopy. More. What's in this box, I'm telling you. We have Viper, which is non-acidic wheel cleaner. I use a current wheel cleaner at the moment. It smells a wee bit acidic, but I've been told it's pH neutral, but we'll find out sooner or later. Then we go on to Sleek, which is interior trim cleaner and dressing. Looks pretty milky, like a strawberry milkshake a wee bit, but anyhow. And second last, we have Sub-Zero Advanced Snow Foam, and I read the back of it a second ago and it says use an inch, so this will probably last a long time, but I'll need to go and get a snow foam. We have a microfiber towel. Where I work we have plenty, but so will be. And last but no means least, we have ceramic wax, which is Sasayo 2 infused carnauba wax. Smells a bit like cherry. Small pot, but that will go a long way. And that's it. That's the Weeknd Warrior kit in all its glory. I'll take that off there a wee sec. There you go. One Weeknd Warrior kit. Probably try this in the car next weekend, because next Saturday is my Saturday in, and we'll see what it's like. I'll probably try and use as much of these as I can, and I might even show you a video of me using the products. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, you can press subscribe. I know there's not much there, but c'est la vie. I'm busy. Bye guys.